reason using using the hawk gives me an opportunity to get the compound on the full blade, right? There are going to be times when we don't want the compound on a full blade, when we're only going to want it on half the blade, left or right. But for this particular application, we want to fill it. We want to cover this seam. I'm going to show you in a second another trick that we always picked up when I was teaching my apprentices. They're always like putting the tape on and it was running over here, over there. I know I made it look easy, but I've been doing it for 100 years. So remember in the beginning, I said the hawk sometimes helps us, right? Another hand guides us. What I like to do with my hawk is I put that right on the top of that tape, take my 6-inch knife, and I wipe. Okay. I'm not pushing that hard. I'm pulling the compound. Oh, did you see that?
It's a big wallop.
That's a big wallop there. That's a big. All right, again, it's water-based. Clean it up. Don't step on it, because now you're going to track it all over your house. It's going to be everywhere. It's going to be in your car. It's going to be everywhere. Clean it up right away. Anyway, we had the hawk up here. We hold it. We bring it down. I want you to continue. You got a little bit of compound on there, right? You can see where the tape was. I want you to take that compound. I want you to go like that. And I want you to go down. I want you to go like that. I want you to go down. Is that the compound? Clean it up. A little bit more. I want you to go like that. And I want you to go down. Okay. Everybody says, well, if I wipe this, what happens? Right? That happens. We could always stretch our tape. Tape stretches. Okay. Again, using the hawk. Why do I use the hawk? It's helpful in many ways. It becomes another hand for you. Go back and look at the first video. I put my hawk up here. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put that hawk, and that's going to hold that tape from pulling. If I don't do that and I just start wiping, a lot of times this is what will happen. That's what happens. Okay? We don't want that. Now what we did is we pulled all of the compound out of the recess. And we need to put it back. If that does happen, don't get scared. Don't get nervous. Now you're going to have to get a little dirty. You got to straighten your tape out. You're going to use your hand. You're going to stretch it out. And you're going to put it back into place. Again, go back, use your hawk. Get that hawk in there. Hold it. I want you to take a couple of wipes and then press. Look at where my finger is. Look at where my hands are. Okay? It's repetition. It's the same thing over and over again. You're going to hear me like a broken record. Before you know it, you're going to be like, I know. You got to put the compound in. You got to do it like this. But if I don't keep telling you, you won't do it. And you're going to be like, why? This is why. Take a little bit of compound. Get that tape wet. And drag it. And drag it through. Okay?